Hey brother, welcome back. I am traveling around the country in my RV. I am currently in the Smoky Mountains, and I am excited to talk to you about this book, The Way of the Superior Man. Now, if you haven't already seen my other videos, I have shared with you a ton of books already, and these are all books that I have purchased and I have read over the last couple of years, and they have transformed my life. I have purchased these books 2 or 3 times now already. I have them on Kindle, I have them on Audible, and now I have them in physical print so that I can get access to them anytime I want, regardless of internet connection or account status. And this book, Way of the Superior Man, is fantastic. It's a fantastic read. It will really help you to unlock some of your beliefs. And let me tell you, it's the chapters are short. They're very short. You could read these over morning coffee, literally over morning coffee. There's, in the very beginning, the first couple of chapters, in fact, are one-pagers. Let's try to find here the first chapter first. Yeah, part 1. So here's let me just show you chapter 2. That's literally chapter 2. If I flip the page, there's the back side of it. There's chapter 3. Right? You could read this over morning coffee, but don't let that fool you. It's extremely insightful and extremely impactful. Now, it's not a book that I'd necessarily recommend to a man that I'm working with, that I'm coaching. You know, I don't recommend it to him right off the bat, but it is a book that I recommend to him, and because it is so insightful and because it's so direct. The chapters are short. There's not a whole lot of story. It doesn't give you example after example after example and wear you out. It gets right to the point, and it is literally a spiritual guide to mastering the challenges of women, work, and sexual desire. It is a fantastic, fantastic book. Data does a great job of unlocking the mysteries of masculine and feminine. He talks a lot about leaning beyond our edge and not waiting for our woman to get easier, and polarity, and how we mess up polarity, how we kill attraction in our relationship, and how we push her away. It's a fantastic read. Highly recommend it. I also recommend the Audible version of it because the narrator has got a real deep voice, and it's kind of cool. And you can change the play speed from like 1 to 1 1/4 or 1 1/2 speed, and that really kind of helps with the pacing and kind of moving through the material. And it's a book that you're going to want to read more than once, so it's okay to move past it, move through it quickly, because you're going to wind up coming back around and listening to it again, and the next time you listen to it, you're going to get something different out of it than you did the first time. So get it on Audible if that's your jam. It's also, like I said, it's a very short read, so you could just read the Kindle or the print version of it every morning before you start your day. The other thing that you can do to transform your life is get yourself a journal. Just go to an office supply store, just go to Hobby Lobby, just go to any place that has paper journals and start yourself a journal. Write down your thoughts, write down your feelings, and it will help you to unlock your beliefs, your thoughts, your beliefs, and it will help you to see patterns in your thinking, and it will transform your life. All right, brother, that's it for this video. Contact me at happymancoaching.com to talk about your self-limiting beliefs, to talk about the things that you don't like in your life, the things that you feel like you lack, and the things that you feel like you would want to change and you would want to have more of. And until next time, I love you.